Cut the light strip along the marking line as shown in the figure. Push the silicone tube through the power cord as shown in the figure. Connect the power cord L and N to the input end of the terminal. First insert the light strip into the terminal interface, and then lock it tightly to the PCB pad with screws. Fill the silicone tube with an appropriate amount of neutral silicone glue. Then push the silicone tube to the end of the terminal and wipe the spilled glue with a white cloth. Allow the light strip to stand for 2 hours until the adhesive has solidified before installation. Seal the tail end cap. Apply a circle of adhesive layer on the inner side of the plug. Move the plug and extend the high-pressure light strip into the plug. Gently press the outer side of the plug to fully bond the adhesive around the light strip to the inner side of the plug. Finally, wipe off the spilled glue with a cloth.